Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, welcome to the Dara Education Project video tutorial series for the Ruby programming. And in this session number 12, we are going to learn how to get the values from the users in the Ruby. So we are going to make a program, and first of all we will write the command puts, and please enter your name. Please enter your name. And after that we will store the name in the variable name, and then name is equal to and use the gets. Then we will display this name, welcome dear student, and place the name here. Now we will compile this program and click on the run and run okay, run this program. Right click and run get value from users program. You will see that the value will stand here, and I am putting the name Saiful Adar, and then you can see that welcome there Saiful student Saiful Adar will display here. But remember that this basically get the string values from the users, and if we want to get the values and want to convert it into integer, then we will take some other things. So I'm just going to get another value. Please enter student marks, something like this, and then get the value marks and use gets dot to and convert it into I. Then display puts marks of the student, and you can see that I will show marks here, and if I want to multiply it with something, multiply it by 2 or divide by for example 5, then I can say average marks of the students. Then run it. Okay, student name Saiful Adar, and please enter the marks 25. Okay, you can see that no integer, no implicit conversion of integer into string. Okay, so that's why. Okay, the problem is that we divided it, so the value will be converted into the float. So we just get this one something like this, multiply by 2, and then we will run this program once again and see what happened. And place the value 5. Okay, then the main problem is that we are converting the both integer and value into the string, so we just remove it and run this program once again. So you will be very confirmed that you cannot display the both string and the integer value in the same line in the Ruby programming here. Now if we want to get some please enter student fee and something to get the uh, decimal values, then we will use gets dot to and underscore f. F stands for the float points, and then display the fee and I just want to multiply by 2 minus 12 and perform some mathematical function, something like discount or whatever, and divide by 12 minus for example this will be the formula. And now we will run this program and see what will be the result is here. So once again, please enter student fee, and here is the fee 20. Okay, once again we will have a fee error is here. in to integer fee for main object, no method error. Okay, since we decide that the fee is a method, so that's why the problem will arise here. And due to this thing, we are not creating the method. Once again, we will run this program. Run gets serve, and here is the marks, and here is the fee, and still we have the error. So I think we have to change S fee. We can change the name S fee. It was more safer because that fee was using as a method, so that's why it was showing the problem. 36 and 12.36. Now the problem is solved, and you can see that this was there. So thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe our channel for further videos, and Allah Hafiz.